Hello, it's Alex. And here I am at the NEC. Now this, to most people, is day one of the NEC, but it's actually day two of the NEC for me, because I was here on setup day, which is Thursday. But it's Friday, this is Hall 5. This is where the Allegro Club is, so I'll be down there mostly, somewhere, taking the engine out of my car, but I'm here over an hour early. So I'm going to go and have a look in the other halls and see if we can find some Rovers, because we all like to look at Rovers, don't we? Well, I do anyway. Wow, there's a great big lorry in here. Big shiny Kenworth. And we're on a stick, so I can put you on the stick to look inside. What's it look like in there? I can't see. Wow. What a machine. The headlights look tiny in comparison to that grille. Look how big the grille is. Crazy. Looks like I'm some sort of truck spotter, doesn't it? Look, I'm looking at great big Volvos now. You can see how big they are, that's why I get drawn to them. Plus my dad loves the old lorries, so I'm sure he'll enjoy having a look. Greasy. I'm getting drawn to all the big things. Look at that, compared to the size of that. That's a big car. That's like your old day equivalent of an SUV, that, isn't it? Absolutely huge. Some more crusty Morris Minors, look. Oh yes. Fresh out the barn, this one, isn't it? Let's give it a sniff. Oh, I can't smell anything. And they must have been airing this one out. No, it's even got barn find written on the back of that one. Anyway, I'm over here sniffing out the Rovers, because there's some Rovers. Oh, look at the estate there, 420. Nice. Could be a good work vehicle for me, apart from the fact I'd have to MOT it and pay tax and probably higher insurance than I'm paying. Although I have got traders insurance, so that wouldn't be an issue really. Oh, the Porsche over there. Monogram, Chatsworth bronze. I wouldn't have said that was monogram. But there we go. Streetwise. It's random, there's these cars sort of in the middle of the Rovers. I don't know what club that is. It's the Women Drivers Social Club. What is it with the SD ones? There's always just loads of red ones, isn't there? Loads of red SD ones. This one's got a foreign plate. This one's got half of it missing. I do like the dashboards and that. It reminds me a little bit of my P6 dashboard. So I got the strip speedo. I know this isn't a strip speedo, but it's just got that long rectangle look to it. Look at that one. Pick up. And the RSR stand, again, as you know, as usual, got a lovely eclectic mix of Rovers, age-wise anyway. What's this one? Look how old it is. What is it? 1933. Oh, this is a Rover 10. Oh, this P5's rather nice, isn't it? And something that makes me happy, look. The wipers are parked properly off the screen and on their little rests The amount of times I see the wipers on the screen and they're not on their rests. I know, anorak. We got the opposite here. This one's parking off the screen and it shouldn't be. Oh, get back on the screen. Oh, I love the lamp. I've got one of those. I want to put on Jessie. Looks like a police sort of lamp, doesn't it? And the old ice alert. Fantastic, optional extra. Proper, you know, the old one, the old round one, and they went square then. So I think are these metal? I think these are actually metal. And the later ones I think are plastic, if I remember rightly. And they're oblong. But yeah, great optional extra. Let's see if he's got the switch gear inside as well. Ooh, no, I don't think he's got the switch gear. I can't see it. It should be on that panel down the side next to the Speedo. I feel like we should talk about this 45 because if you watch Joseph Lloyd's channel, he won't talk about this because it's a diesel. I think he said it was a 2-litre turbo diesel or something. Manual. Yeah, there's nothing on it to say that it's a diesel, but I'm sure Joseph will know. Something on the dashboard will tell him or something. I know I'm going to be checking his video to see if he talks about this now. Hidden under here is a Cyclops, and they're not unwrapping it yet. Oh, look. A Buttle. I know that name. That's why it's covered up. Oh, look, it's a blue one. Oh, look, we get a sneak peek of the colour. We'll have to pop by and try and see it uncovered later on or something. Especially, you know, come and give Alan a hug if he's here. What have we got? This is the barn find section. There's some P6s, so I'll go over and see them in a minute. What else have we got? Rover wires. Any more Rover? Oh, I don't know. There must be another P6 store somewhere. Well, before I go in the barn finds, let's just go and have a look at these P6s. They look nice and peaceful over there. No one's going to be jumping out at me trying to say hello. Yeah, there's no one here. Oh, so is this actually a Nada one? Yes. It's a Nada shell. Oh, it looks in lovely condition. Look at those D-posts. I'm not jealous at all. Yes. I still haven't got my P6's D-posts done yet. Why, man? Why, man? Look, they've all bloody turned up now. I'm going to have to go and give them hugs and things. Go on, have a hug. Hug on cam. Hug on cam. I said, I'm going to go over there. It's all peaceful. There's no one there. Look. And here they all are. God, we've got all V8s on the stand. Come on, guy. Where's the 2000s? Andy, where's all the 2000s?
I'm gone, sorry.
Oh, they're all V8. Oh, hiya. All right. Tobacco leaf. Very nice. No 4 pots. Right, over here, I believe is the P6 Owners Club. Let's see if they've got a 4-pot. Well, that zircon blue one was a 4-pot, but I think it's a no pot at the minute. There's a V8. What's the white one? What's the white one? Oh, it's a 2.2. We've got a 4-pot, everyone. Hey, I'm happy now. Right, this, what is it? Oh, it's a TC. Yes, it must be an early TC.
It's a no pot.
It is a no pot.
It's a no pot.
Yeah. Oh, they are 1968 TC. Yeah, that is an early TC. Fantastic. look at that. It's a TC with a stripped speedo. I didn't think that was a thing. I thought the TCs all got round dials. That's interesting. Well, they're not as rotten as mine, or this one isn't. D-post. Oh yeah, we got it up the top. Mine's like that at the top. Oh. No, these D-posts are way better than mine. And the door's shut way better than mine as well. Oh. Wow, there's a lot of work that needs doing on that. We've got 2 red V8s. But, well, I was going to say one's a Nada, but is it? Oh yeah, it says it's a Nada base unit. I see it's got the scoops. It's 35S, I got a feeling, is it automatic? Oh no, it is a manual, because I think in America they badged the Nadas as the 35S, even though they were automatic. Because in the UK, the 35S was manual. But no, this is a manual one. Okay. See, on a quick glance, I wouldn't have said that was actual Nada. I would have just said he's just got the scoops on the bonnet. This is nice. Series 1. Looks like this is an automatic one. Yes.
Your attention please. The show will be opening in 1 hour.
Basto roof.
The gangways are clear and the stand is ready for visitors. If you have press flags, please take.
I always get interrupted by the blooming tannoy. That white is fantastic. It's really bright. Real bright. It's nice. Arctic white, that one. Arctic. It is like being at the Arctic. Oh, he's got his seats out. Looks like he's probably... Is he going to put new carpet in there? I don't know. The old carpet doesn't look bad. I wonder what he's up to. We've certainly got some underlay in there, so maybe just some new underlay. The MG Rover hub. All sorts of MGs and Rovers here. And I know Colin, the vicar, has got his Metro here. Here we are. He's very proud of his little Metro that he saved. Knowing Colin, he'll want to get it respray. So basic, aren't they? 40 years of the 800. 40 years. I don't think that. I do. I am immensely attracted to the green. That's really nice. What a lovely colour. Fantastic. Woodcote green pearlescent. Really nice. Oh, we got a grey interior. You know what that's missing? That's missing a nice automatic gearbox. Then that would be perfect for me. I'd love that. Look at that. Sterling. Sterling. Very nice. Oh, a 600. I'm going all a 600 because Graham on my stand said he's got, I don't know if it's a water pump or something for a 600 that he wants to give to somebody with a 600. So I have to bear that in mind. There is one here. Coupes are over here. I see they've got a fancy yellow one over there. We'll go that way because we want to go and look at the barn finds next, really. I don't think there's any more Rovers from what I can see. Oh, look at this one. Used and abused. Quite literally. Blimey. Oh, some BRMs. Looks like they're busy at work already.
I will. It'll just take a bit of time. Yeah, it will.
Premature working. They must have a lot on. Right, let's have a look at the barn finds. So apparently there's well, as we can see, there's a very squashed Land Rover ahead of us, and there's an Allegro in here somewhere. It is fascinating if you've got time to stand and read the stories about them and that, where they come from. That poor Land Rover, I mean, what on earth happened to that? Oh. Gosh. Buckled. Did they drop a tractor on the roof or something? Oh, I can see the Allegro butt. Oh, it doesn't look too bad from a distance. It's a two-door. Personal plate on it, so don't know how old it is. But it is an early one because it's got the pre-plug hole of despair Austin badge and the early font on the Allegro. Quartic wheel. Tell you what, that's in pretty damn good condition, that. 1974, same as my Allegro then. Wow. I've been trying desperately to see in there what the mileage is. I swear the clock says 96,000. It can't have done 96,000. Look at it, it's so clean. There's not one bit of rot on it, really. Ramy just read the blurb of the Land Rover and he said it got rolled, not something dropped on it. And look, there's a Maestro here as well. Again, not bad condition, really. City X. The seats still look plump. Plump seats. Let's have a little walk about, see what other cars there are. This old Morris van. Been through the wars.
Post office van.
Is it? What's the thing on the roof?
Probably for a dolly or so, I can imagine.
Oh. This little MGB. What's this? Some sort of Mazda, I think. It's a rare little thing. Yeah. 1976 Mazda. Deluxe. Oh. Is that a Nissan? Is it a Cherry or something? Yeah, it's Cherry. There's a crusty Dolomite over there. This is getting some extensive work. I think I might have seen this on the stand before with a really crumpled rear end. Looks like they've been replacing it all. Wow. Yeah, they've brought Graham's Porsche along. My friend Graham's got a white Porsche like this. I think it's got the same interior and everything, yeah. It could be Graham's for all I know. This old Morris 10. I love all the old patina. I mean, that's a bit too far with the patina. That's Titanic patina. Oh, you poor old thing, eh? I bet you could tell some tales. Oh. Yeah, this is impressive. There's some impressive rot going on there. It's weird because some of it looks absolutely fine and then some of it looks absolutely not. Huh. This is great, I like this. It's a Zephyr / Zodiac. Ford product. Not seen that badge before. Oh, look at the seats. Oh, they'd clean up so well. They're not even ripped. Oh. Little 2CV. Vauxhall Cavalier GSI. What a beast. Oh. Little Mini. It's an early one. Wavy grille. 1962. That old Bedford van, look at that. Oh, that's been beaten about a bit as well. We've got a Stag. Cool. Those are long exhaust pipes, aren't they? I suppose with the bumper on, you wouldn't really notice them sticking out like that. Couple more. Got the Cortina. Crusty Fiesta. See, all the rot is hidden under the plastic trim. You can see where the plastic trim's coming off, and it's revealed the true horror of what lies beneath. Because if you put that back on, you wouldn't know that was rotten. And look at the interior. It's really immaculate in there. Yeah, look, rot hidden behind the number plate. All the rot is hidden. And what the hell is that?
La Francis.
A what?
La Francis, Ace of Spades.
La Francis. Ace of Spades. Wow. What a unusual looking thing. Oh dear me.
There's Mazda will be soon back on the road.
Another Mazda. Estate. What's the old Mazdas coming from? It's not where the engine goes.
All the parts are there, ready to go back.
All the parts are there, are they? Wow. Blimey. Oh, I see Julian's here. Blockley tyres. Well, he's not here, but the tyres are. So I got these tyres on my Allegro, my Marina, and my Rover P4. And I'm very, very happy with them. I must say, they are flipping expensive for the P4. But I'm happy with them, and I wouldn't choose any other tyre. Because they look right. They look right and they work. I mean, if you saw my emergency stop video in my Marina, you'll know that they helped. I'm just getting attracted to this, sorry. Bright pink. I love the colour. Fantastic. I just visited Sham's stand and he said, which car would you choose out of the 6 on the stand? And I chose the Maserati out of all of them. I like it. Automatic. I like a bit of luxury, bit of wood. And you got me to sit in. Oh, that's quite a nice place to sit. Very posh. It's limited edition or something. There's only a few. There's only a few of them being made or something. Oh God! Don't ask me to pronounce that name. Maserati Quattraport IV, which I presume is like 5. Evolution 3.2 V8. One of only 25 UK supplied right-hand drive with automatic transmission. One of 25. Wow. 330 brake horsepower. 4-speed automatic. Twin turbocharged. Rear-wheel drive. Nice. Yeah, I like it. It gets the Sham finger of approval. Very nice. Well, I enjoyed fingering this car. Yes. It's a lovely thing. Look at that. It's not my normal thing that I would run over and look at, but I say out of all the vehicles on the stand, Sham made me choose one. And I said, I choose that one. Because I choose luxury over sport, you see. There he is, he's fingering it himself. Oh, sorry, we have to be careful how we say that.
That's right. Be careful where you advertise that as well.
Oh, yeah. Sham gives fingers of approval to
And
a lot of
this one
cars.
is for this young lady here. She's got a lovely, lovely smile and always chirpy. Always, honestly, she
Always.
entertains
Unless I'm
everyone.
hungry.
And then she gets grumpy.
Hangry. You wouldn't like me when I'm hungry. Well, keep up the good
Brilliant.
work. The
Thank you
stand
very
looks
much.
great.
Thank you.
Right, the show's going to open in 15 minutes. I don't know how much more filming I'll get done today. I'll try and do some filming of the engine removal, but I'll do that in a separate video so we're not getting too much in one video, you know? So there might be some people that want to watch the engine removal and some people want to see the Rovers. So this is mostly the Rover and barn find video for today. Yeah, I'm going to get ready. So we've only got 15 minutes and the public are coming in. We need to get started on this. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bonus footage. End of Friday. The engine is out. The engine is off the gearbox. And we found the problem. But I'm not going to tell you what it was. Because it's on a separate video. There'll be a separate video of us getting the engine out. And yeah, you can see what's wrong.